Among the new exhibitors this year is Grace Roche, 31, who is putting the finishing touches to her Pretty Bird workwear for women stand. Newly married last October, she and her husband Raymond farm at Abbey, 10 kilometers from Portumna, Company Galway. "We only launched the business in June. There's a definite need for workwear for women who work on farms and in gardens," she said. "Practical workwear at reasonable prices is badly needed by women. In some cases, that includes steel-capped boots for women or wider wellies for people with bigger calves," she said. More than a third of the attendees at the annual event are female. The exhibitions will occupy almost 200,000 sqm of exhibition space this year. There will be a fun fair for children and a variety of attractions, from livestock judging to sheep shearing, fashion shows, cookery demonstrations and sheepdog trials. The food courts will once again showcase the ever-growing variety of artisan foods being produced around the country. Gates open at 8 a.m. and people are advised to allow plenty of time for their journeys. Irish Independent.